In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam must be running error quickly and easily. This is a very common problem that appears when you try to launch a game and Steam either isn't detected properly or doesn't have the permissions it needs to run the game. The good news is that this issue is usually very easy to fix, and I'll walk you through several simple solutions step by step. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any fixes that could solve the problem instantly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump straight into the first fix. The first thing you want to do is make sure Steam is actually open and that you are logged into your account. Sometimes the error appears simply because Steam did not start correctly in the background. Close the game completely, open Steam again, and confirm that your account is logged in before launching the game from your Steam library. If the error still appears, the next step is to restart Steam with administrator permissions. To do this, completely close Steam. Then find the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam as an administrator allows it to properly communicate with your games and can fix permission-related launch errors. Another very effective fix is verifying the integrity of the game files. Corrupted or missing files can sometimes cause the Steam must be running error even when Steam is open. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is causing the issue, right-click on it, and select Properties. Then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace any missing or damaged files. If the problem still isn't fixed, try restarting your computer. This may sound simple, but restarting your PC clears temporary processes and refreshes Steam services that might be stuck in the background. After restarting, open Steam again and launch the game from your library, and that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix the Steam must be running error. One of these methods usually solves the issue in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech fixes, software tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.